In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain in Google Workspace. Verifying your domain proves you own it and unlocks key features like business email, calendar, and security tools. You'll need to be signed in with an account that has admin privileges, and it helps to have access to your domain host in a separate tab so you're ready for any prompts that appear. Start on any Google page and open the Google Apps menu, the grid icon in the to right corner. From the list of apps, choose Admin to open the Google Admin console. If you don't see it, you might not be an administrator on the account, so check with your organization's admin to confirm access. Inside the admin console, look for the left-hand navigation panel and select Account. This section contains organization-wide settings, including ownership and security details. Next, go to Domains. This is where Google Workspace tracks the domains connected to your organization, along with their verification status. Choose Manage Domains. Here you'll see your primary domain and any secondary or alias domains you've added. Find the domain that shows as unverified or needs verification. When you're ready, select Verify Domain. This opens Google's verification assistant, which guides you through the process tailored to your domain host. At this point, Google will present a recommended method, usually adding a TXT record at your domain host. Keep the Admin Console tab open so you can copy the exact record value when prompted. Small errors like missing characters or extra spaces can prevent verification, so copy carefully. If you're shown an alternative such as a CNAME record or an HTML options, that's fine too. Use the method Google recommends for your setup. After saving the record with your host, return to the Admin Console and continue with the on-screen prompts. DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes a few minutes, sometimes longer. If verification doesn't succeed right away, wait a bit and try again rather than creating a new record. Make sure you added the record to the correct domain zone and that it's not behind a proxy that alters DNS. Once Google confirms the record, the domain status will update to verified in the Managed Domains list. That's your confirmation that ownership is established and your workspace services can be fully configured. If something doesn't look right, you can always revisit the Manage Domains page to review the status and rerun the verification assistant. And that's it. You've navigated to the admin console, opened account, selected domains, managed your domains, and completed the verification process for your domain in Google Workspace.